Welcome back to Digital Dive, where we break down the latest in tech so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into a wireless earbuds showdown that everyone's been waiting for in 2025, the brand new Pixel Buds Pro 2 versus the trusted AirPods Pro 2. Apple and Google are going head-to-head once again, and if you're torn between the two, especially in the US market where both brands are super popular, this video is for you. Let's start with design. Apple hasn't changed much visually with the AirPods Pro 2, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. They're sleek, minimal, and instantly recognizable. On the other hand, the Pixel Buds Pro 2 have a more rounded, discreet look that now comes in more stylish colors. They feel more modern, especially if you're not into the white stem design. In terms of comfort, both offer a secure fit, but the Pixel Buds Pro 2 might be more comfortable for longer sessions thanks to the redesigned tips and lighter weight. Now let's talk sound. Apple's AirPods Pro 2 still deliver amazing audio with balanced mids, punchy bass, and fantastic spatial audio support that makes watching movies or playing games feel immersive. But Google made serious moves with the Pixel Buds Pro 2. The sound is fuller than the last gen, with better tuning, especially for Android users who benefit from native EQ settings and customizable sound profiles. If you're into bass-heavy music or podcasts, both perform well, but the Pixel Buds Pro 2 have improved clarity and separation this year. Let's get into noise cancellation, which is huge in 2025. AirPods Pro 2 still have one of the best ANC systems around. They're great for blocking out city noise, flights, or just the AC hum at home. Pixel Buds Pro 2 have caught up big time. Google added adaptive ANC, which adjusts in real time based on your environment, and while it's not quite on Apple's level yet, it's surprisingly close and definitely impressive for most everyday situations. Battery life is another area where Google is stepping up. Pixel Buds Pro 2 now offer up to 8 hours with ANC on, and over 30 hours with the case. That beats AirPods Pro 2, which max out at around 6 hours with ANC and about 24 with the case. Both have wireless charging, but Pixel Buds now support faster USB-C charging, a plus for Android and Pixel users. Let's not forget about features. Apple's integration with the iPhone is still unbeatable. Seamless switching between Apple devices, hands-free Siri, and precision finding with the U1 chip are amazing if you're in the Apple ecosystem. But Google is catching up with things like Find My Device support, Google Assistant integration, and now even multi-point connectivity with auto-switching between Android and Chromebook. It's more seamless than ever for Android fans. So who should buy what? If you're an iPhone user, the AirPods Pro 2 still offer the best all-around experience, period. But if you're on Android, especially using a Pixel device, the Pixel Buds Pro 2 are finally worth it. They're no longer playing catch-up. They're competing. And for the price, you might even save a few bucks compared to the AirPods Pro 2. In the end, both earbuds are excellent choices depending on your ecosystem. But it's clear that Google has listened to feedback and delivered big upgrades with the Pixel Buds Pro 2. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a drop from Digital Dive. Catch you in the next one.